Welcome everybody. Where else would you rather be than right here, right now? We made it to the mountain. Not up on the wood, not up in the wood hole, but the other wood spot. We're back up there. It's yeah. By the time you see this, you will have already seen some of the videos from up here with the Gnome Wood Splitter and Jason Tongue. So anyway, we're gonna cut another grand for today, and nothing super spectacular or anything like that. We're just gonna fall and try to get some content and run the Jason Tongue ported 61 and the Aaron A. Lynch ported 50mm Taz XP. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna run. We're gonna follow through with the Taz XP and see what kind of firewood saw we got with the 61 now. I've only cut cookies with it. I haven't had it out cutting yet, so we're going to cut it out. We're going to try out a few different video options today. Today you'll be seeing some footage from the GoPro 360 and the new mount on the tin lid. I had to come up with a good mount for the tin lid. See that little blue thing? Yeah, it just bolts on. And it doesn't have anything super crazy inside sticking down to poke me in the head, but that's what we're going to be running today. That and the phone cameras. Okay? All right. Well, I'm going to get this all warmed up and we'll see you on the stump. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And thank you to everybody that comes here and watches my videos. I appreciate it. I appreciate you a ton. All right, we'll see you down there on the stump. Okay, this isn't the greatest spot for the phone camera because it's real brushy back there and all that. So we'll just get it coming down into the road. The old Taz XP's running pretty good. Got my escape route all cleaned out, so let's get with it. And yes, I do have my recovery wedges just in case something happens, Johnny, and everybody else that's wondering about those. I thought about doing it on this tree, but it's got a pretty good lean the direction we're going to go with it anyway, so let's go with it. Hopefully the GoPro's set up good enough to see. Here we go. As you can see, again, there aren't very many limbs on this side of the tree, right? So that's what, and that, even though those are dead limbs, they still give you some kind of pulling weight. This is just crazy for February. So yeah, so we're gonna go right out through there. Okay, we're gonna try to get as much of it out there in that road as we can. Okay. All right. Now we'll get to it. nice one. That is really nice. Just right. Looks like it's all pretty much off the ground. That's a nice firewood tree right there. We got a little bit of punk out here on this, on the stump, but that'll go away kind of fast, I think. See how this stuff grows? See this? That's a knot clear down here in the stump. Another one right there. Let's go look at this. See this right here? This right here is a knot as well. Right there where we cut it off. Just a knot. That is to me that's a good stump right there. Got about 2/3 right here, 2/3 on this side, or at one, you know, a third of the tree there. About 2/3 there. That's a great stump. Went right where we wanted it to. Just right. Now, I'll get up there and limit. We'll cut this, we'll cut the stump off. We'll cut the butt off. We're also running that brand new, I better tighten that up a little bit. Running that brand new steel lightweight bar that Scott Wilson sent me. That's a nice one. I sure like them. They're nice bars. That was nice.